Hi, welcome to section 8.4. I'm going to review how to graph a quadratic function that is in vertex form. So it's important to know the formula f of x equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. An important part to know is also that the vertex is h and k, and that the axis of symmetry is x equals h. So we're going to do one whole problem. This is the completed version with everything on it, including the transformation descriptions. Okay, so we'll start from the beginning. I'm going to do number 6 on the back of this particular worksheet. First thing we want to do is write down what A, H, and K is. So A sits here in front, it's 4. H is right here, but it's, even though it says positive 4, it's actually the opposite. So it's negative 4. And K is negative 2. Okay, now first thing we're going to write down is our vertex. It's going to be HK, negative 4, negative 2. Next thing we're going to write is our axis of symmetry, which is x equals h, which is negative 4. And we can draw that in. And label it x equals negative 4. Now, because A is positive, it's actually going to be a happy face. It's going to face up. And I can also label my vertex here, which is negative 4, negative 2. Negative 4, negative 2. Now, in doing our t-chart, you want to start with the vertex always. A negative 4, negative 2. And then you're going to pick 2 numbers that are up and 2 numbers that are down. But I'm looking at my graph, and I think I'm going to go by increments of 2. We'll see how my graph goes by increments of 2. So I'll pick negative 2 and 0, and then negative 6 and negative 8. So let's plug in negative 2 into our formula. This is what we have our calculators for. 4 times negative 2 plus 4, quantity squared minus 2. Let me show it to you on the calculator. Now it's a little hard to see. 4 times negative 2 plus 4 squared minus 2. And the answer is 14. Is that right? Did you guys get 14? Yeah. Okay. That means negative 6 should also be 14. Wow, that tells me we may not be able to fit the other 2 on our graph here. So negative 2, 14 is all the way up here. Negative 6, negative, positive 14. Now, I'm going to plug in 0 because I want to know what the y-intercept is. So 4, 0 plus 4 squared minus 2. 4 times 0 plus 4 quantity squared minus 2. Whoa, 62? That's the y-intercept. That goes up way super high and won't fit on our graph. So let's go ahead and sketch our graph. Okay, domain, all real numbers. Range, since it's going up, y is greater than or equal to the lowest point here, the vertex, which is negative 2. It's a minimum since it's below, so it's a minimum at the y, which is negative 2. And let's do our transformations. So this 4 here is saying that it's a vertical stretch by a factor of 4. You have to make sure you put that factor in, otherwise it's incorrect. This 4 right here means it's a horizontal translation 4 units to the left. And this -2 here means it's a vertical translation 2 units down. So to make sure we have everything, domain, range, vertex, axis symmetry, y-intercept, which was our last one. And our y-intercept is 62. That's a completed problem.